Hi everyone, I'm Shaza Abdullah, and today this presentation is going to be about phishing and one of the programs that we created in order to avoid phishing and help other people. So what is phishing? Phishing is a type of online scam where criminals pretend to be trusted companies or people try to trick you into giving personal information like passwords or bank details. It usually happens through fake emails, text messages, or websites that look real. Phishing is a huge global problem. In 2023, over 1 million phishing attacks were recorded worldwide, and that is according to the UOWD in 2023. And in the United States alone, more than 193,000 people reported being affected by phishing scams. These attacks cost individuals and businesses billions of dollars each year, and that is according to Kaspersky 2024. This shows that phishing is not just a small online threat, it's a serious danger that can affect anyone.
Phishing is a cybersecurity attack in which attackers create emails that appear to be legitimate in order to deceive users into entering their personal information. An attacker sends an email to the victim. The victim clicks on the email, which claims to be of great urgency. The email contains a link, which leads to a phishing website requesting for the victim's credentials. As phishing threats continue to evolve, it is increasingly important to implement processes that protect sensitive information, especially given the limited availability of tools capable of fully preventing such attacks. To reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing, users are advised to remain skeptical of unsolicited communications. However, recognizing phishing attempts can be challenging. To support users in this process, we have developed a Python-based algorithm that analyzes email content, identifies potential malicious indicators, assigns a risk score, and prints suspicious terms.
Hello everyone, my name is Afnia and I'll be talking about the goals and the objective of this project. So the goal of this project is to develop a risk scoring phishing email detection program using Python. This technology will take user inputted email or message text and search it for known phishing related terms like urgent, verify, password, and bank. The algorithm will categorize each email as safe, suspicious, or high risk based on the score. Additionally, users will be able to contribute new phishing keywords to the system, expanding its functionality and enabling it to respond to use emerging threats. The project's objective is to develop a straightforward, instructive cybersecurity application that uses keyword-based analysis to show how phishing detection operates. So what exactly will the system do? It can detect phishing-related phrases, determine a phishing risk score, categorize email safe, suspicion, and high risk. And the system will not make use of machine learning or artificial intelligence. Also, scan Gmail or Outlook emails in real time to find malware, viruses, and potentially harmful emails. So, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shaza Abdullah, and today I'm going to be talking about the steps and the methodology that was used to complete this project. So firstly, this program is designed to help users identify possible phishing emails by scanning for suspicious keywords. It begins with a predefined list of phrases that commonly appear in phishing attempts, things like click here, big bucks, and act now. These phrases are often used to pressure or to lure people into taking quick action, so they serve as useful warning signs. After the user enters the text of an email they want to check, the program prepares two important variables. The first is a score that keeps track of how many suspicious keywords are found, and the second is a list that will store every keyword the program detects in the email. Next, the program loops through each keyword in its list and searches for it inside the user's email. Every time it finds a match, it adds that keyword to the found list and increases the score by 1. As the score increases, the program also updates the risk level, labeling the email as safe, suspicious, or high risk. This risk level changes in real time as more keywords are discovered. Finally, when the scanning process is complete, the program presents a summary for the user. It shows the original email text, the exact suspicious keywords that were detected, the total risk score, and the final risk level. Altogether, this simple rule-based system gives users an easy and understandable way to evaluate an email safety by highlighting phrases that are commonly linked to phishing or scams. And in the next slide, you can find the block chart that represents the steps that were used.
The program effectively achieved the main goal of detecting phishing-related words and texts in emails using a keyword-based recognition system. When the program started, it asked the user to paste an email or message, scanned it to find specific phishing keywords, and gave a risk score based on how many suspicious terms showed up. Each keyword that was found was added to a list, and the system then marked the email safe, suspicious, or high risk. The program shows the original email or text, the specific suspicious words that were found, the total score, and the final risk level. In doing this, the project created a clear and functional example of how basic phishing detection works. It gave users a clear breakdown of why a message might be unsafe, showing us that the program achieved its goal of giving an educational and easy cybersecurity tool. The results given by the program are accurate to the limits of a keyword-based system. When the suspicious keywords show, the program properly identifies them and gives them the appropriate risk level based on the scoring rules. This means that the tool works successfully and accurately for the reason it was designed for, showing how phishing detection can be achieved by rule-based keyword matching. However, since its accuracy depends completely on the existence of the specific words in the keyword list, it might miss phishing messages that use different words or versions of the same idea. There is also a small case sensitivity problem that could stop the program from identifying keywords consistently. Even with these limitations, the program is still effective and works well as a basic cybersecurity application. It gives clear, understandable results and successfully shows the main logic behind basic phishing detection, making it a good and helpful outcome for the purpose of this project.
Hello, my name is Sarah, and today I will be talking about a quick summary and the improvements that could be made. Now, the Python code was invented to detect phishing, and this includes whether the email is a fraud or if it's from an official sender. Now, this code gives fairly accurate and clear results, and we used conditional statements such as if, else, and elif. Now, however, there is always room for improvement. Now, improvement for this invention could be an increase on the numerical scale depending on the word. So, if the word was more suspicious, the numbers would increase. And the last one is allowing users to add new words without altering the previous added words. Thank you for listening.